Hi and welcome back to Chef Hacker Kitchen. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to explore drinks that are really popular with very young people. We're going to go over how to make Shirley Temples and Roy Rogers, and we're going to hack it with two different ingredients. Oh, wait a minute. And then before we close out, we're going to have a special taste tester that's going to come in and do a side-by-side comparison of the two versions of a Roy Rogers. So we got a lot of fun, but I'm not going to be doing it. My friend Adeline is going to be doing that. Isn't that right?
Yes.
All right, let's get started.
Today's ingredients are going to be 7-Up, ginger ale, grenadine, and cherry juice. And last but not least, don't forget the ice. So we are going to make two types of Shirley Temples today, one with grenadine and one with cherry juice. So first we're going to pour in our ice, and then we are going to pour in our 7-Up. Okay, and then we are going to pour in some grenadine. And then after the grenadine, and this one we're gonna pour in some cherry juice. Then we're gonna put in a cherry in each one.
Okay, and so there's your Shirley Temples. We have one with grenadine and one with cherry juice. And now we're going to call in our special tester, Austin. Come on in, Austin.
Today I'm going to be testing Shirley Temple with grenadine and the Shirley Temple with cherry juice. I picked this one. The cherry juice one's way better.
All right, thank you, Austin.
Good.
Okay, so there you have it. The cherry juice wins out over the grenadine for the Shirley Temple.
So this is a Roy Rogers, and instead of using 7-Up, we're going to use ginger ale. So first we're going to pour in our ice. And then we are going to pour in our ginger ale. And then we are going to use our grenadine. Okay, and we're going to pour in some cherry juice. And then we're going to get 2 cherries, one for each. And that's it. Now we're going to call in Austin, our taste tester.
Well, in the taste tester, I'm going to be testing which is the best Roy Rogers with grenadine and cherry juice. But I don't know which one has grenadine or cherry juice in it. So, first off, we're going to try this. Nice. Nice. I'm going this. It just has this grenadine. This one just has more fizz than this, and it was just a little bit sweeter. So.
Okay, so what did we learn today from this experiment? We learned that if you're making a Shirley Temple, which is made with 7-Up, our taste tester preferred the taste of the cherry juice over the grenadine. But if you're making a Roy Rogers, which is made with ginger ale, our taste tester preferred the grenadine over the cherry juice. And the rest of us actually agree with him. Do you folks have anything else to say?
Yeah. Subscribe. And ring that bell.
All right. Thank you very much. Thanks to my friends Adeline and Austin for participating today. And we'll see you next time on Chef Hacker's Kitchen.
Sit.